guys, I am doing a helicopter. I already did this part, so the video won't be so long. And then I did number 3 too. But we have 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8 to go. Okay, so here it goes. So let's see direction 4. Is it, wait. Where'd it go? Okay. 4. Along the dotted line, fold flap A forward and flap B to the back. Okay, so I'm going to do B and A forward. There we go. Let's see the next direction. Fold flaps C and D forward along the dotted lines. So they meet. Okay, I don't really get that. So I think you're supposed to do it forward like this. Oh, so they meet here. I think it's gonna go like that. Okay, that's pretty cool. It looks kind of like this. Okay, let's see. The 7th one. The helicopter should be ready to fly if you hold it. If you hold it by pinching. Wait, yeah. The helicopter should be ready to fly if you hold it by pinching flaps C and D and directions to each other, but parallel on the floor. I don't really get that. Let me read this again. The helicopter should be ready to fly. You hold by pinching C and D and having A and B jutting in opposite directions to each other but parallel on the floor. So I think I pinch this, right? I don't know. Hold the helicopter. Here's the 8th one. Hold the helicopter as high as you can and let it go. And pull your hand away as fast as you can. The helicopter should swirl slowly down to the ground. Here's a picture of it. I can't hold it because I'm... See? Okay, and now I'm going to show you dropping it. Okay. Here is it. Here it is. Now I'm going to drop it. Ready, set. That wasn't a good one. Because I need to get like here, I think. So as high as my arm goes. Ready, set. Oh, that was awesome. Wait, Mom, can you do something?
What?
Hold it like that. Okay, look, wanna see it? Ready, set. When it goes down, Mom, like, go down with it. Ready? Ready?
Ooh, I like that.
So that was the video. Bye.